Alright, so this is probably about the plainest packaging you'd ever see. It's an EVGA. Now, very important. The reason that this packaging is so bland, plain, no markings on it or anything else. What this is I actually got this as a deal. It's called a B stock item. It's something that when they have an imperfection or a return, something like that, or a warranty issue, they usually use their B stock items, which is what this was. What I currently have on my computer is a 980 titanium EVGA. It's the 980 titanium XC Ultra. No, 980 titanium ACX Ultra is what it is. It runs really, really, really well. I'm not going to complain. It's pretty much almost overkill for anything that I do have. But this here, again, like I said, this was one of those B stock items. It's a lot harder to get out one-handed than I thought it was going to be. Okay, sorry about that. So, again, pretty plain packaging. Nothing fancy. There's no cables, there's no extras, there's no user manual, CD, drivers, nothing. It's just a card. However, if you can see that, what I did get was a GeForce RTX 2080. So going from a 980 titanium to an RTX 2080 is a massive step. And this video card is pretty awesome looking. Alright, so this is the 980 titanium. This is the back of it. It's a really nice solid heat spreader on the back plate for it. As you can see, it is a very, very, very thick card. It uses a 6-pin and an 8-pin for the power on there. This is considered a 2.5 slot. I'll show you the end here. You can see how thick that is. It does have 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, and a USB Type-C connector on there, which is a nice addition. It's kind of nice to see. Front-wise, this does have the ACX cooling. This was the 2080 XC Ultra, so sorry about that. That was where I had the confusion on that 980. This has got the ACX 2.0 cooling on here. It's got the newer fan blades. I don't know if you can see that. They actually have the E logo on there for the EVGA. Supposedly it helps keep it silent. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but supposedly it helps keep it a lot more silent, helps it run smoother. You can see this heatsink on here is just massive. You can see that the heat pipes down in here. Those are going to funnel that heat away from the GPU. It's going to run it through. Also covers the memory, the VRMs. One thing I will say about this one compared to my other card is this plate back here is actually metal as well. Oh, there it is. Actually, no, I take it back. It is plastic. It's just a plastic cover for the fans. But, you can see in there, that's the fan connectors there. I mean, it's nothing major. I mean, it felt like it was metal. It must be some type of composite, because this is actually pretty tough feeling. Now I just have to get that back on there. There we go. So, I mean, overall not bad. It's pretty simple. That's probably the cheapest thing I've seen, though. I will say that may be what was wrong with this card. That feels pretty pretty janky on there. I mean, that's not exactly a tight fit, so that's probably, I mean, if you can see this, that's not really tight in there. It feels like it's not, yeah, it's not making a good connection down in there. So that's something I'll have to take a look at and see if I can figure out what's going on with that. And that's, like I said, probably why they use this card as warranties and as cosmetic defects. That would probably be it right there. But these are really neat. Not only are these things fast as heck, and one of the top of the line video cards you can get, this whole area here does light up, so it's all LED backlit, so it gives a nice case lighting effect in there. I will say these things normally retail, I did research it, for about $799 just for the video card. So they're ridiculously expensive, but they're definitely not top tier by any means. Some of the other 2080s that they offer, like the titaniums and the new supers, especially the water-cooled ones or the Kingpin branded ones, those things run anywhere from $1,300 to $1,800. So I mean, they're absolutely ridiculously priced. So something like this, I am not going to complain about. Like I said, that was a B stock item, so that was not one of those things where it was ridiculous. Now, once I get that in the new system, I'm going to be doing some benchmarks, comparing that to my 28 or my 980 titanium that I currently have, and see just how much of a difference that actually makes. So that's going to take care of this